Chapter 6 MSW Logo, Repeat Command and Creative Procedures. Magic Carpet, Repeat Command, Drawing Polygon, Drawing Circles and Curves, Writing Procedures, Editing Procedures, Saving Procedures, Loading Procedures, Erasing a Procedure. We can teach the turtle a few procedures. Really? How can we do that? Before creating a procedure, we must know what a procedure is. A procedure is basically the steps that the turtle will take to draw or make something. You can run a procedure by typing in the commander window its name. Many types of geometries and shapes can be drawn with the help of instructions in a procedure. To create a procedure, all you have to do is click on the input box and type 2 and name of the procedure, example 2 triangle. The 2 mode box will appear. Now enter the primitives one after the other by pressing enter on the keyboard. When you have entered all the primitives, click on end and write triangle as the name of the procedure in the input box and press enter. Editing a procedure. Sometimes it is required to make some changes in the already made procedure as per the requirement. In that case, a procedure has to be edited, and for our benefit, it has that option. To edit a procedure, write edit, name of the procedure. The editor window appears. Edit the primitives and close the editor window. Select yes when it asks whether you want to save the changes. If you don't select yes, all the changes that you made will be lost and not saved. Saving a procedure. This is the most important step because it saves all the work that you have done so that you don't have to do that particular work again and again when it is to be used. To save all the work that you have done, in the input box, write save, name of the procedure, and then press enter key on the keyboard. Or you can go to the file menu and click on save option after defining the procedure you have made. Loading a procedure. It is really an important aspect of making any drawing when changes or enhancements are to be made in an already existing procedural document. To make changes in it, it is to be first loaded. To load any procedure in the input box, write load, name of the procedure, and press enter key on the keyboard. Or you can go to the file menu and click on load option after selecting the procedure, then click on open. Erasing a procedure. If a procedure is not of much use now as it is old or not of much importance, in that case it has to be erased so that unnecessary occupation of the memory of the computer is avoided. To erase any procedure, type erase, name of the procedure in the input box. This will show the message I don't know how to. Name of the procedure in the recall box. This means that the procedure has been deleted. Repeat command. There are times while making a procedure when a certain command that has been used once is to be used again and again. In such a case, rather than using that command again and again and following all the steps that we did while executing the command earlier, we can use the repeat command. The repeat gives the turtle a command that you have given to it already without typing the whole series of primitives again. To repeat a command, type repeat number of times you want the command to be repeated, command to be repeated. Drawing polygons. Polygons are basically the combination of different geometries into one. For example, a triangle is a polygon having 3 sides. A square or rectangle is a polygon having 4 sides. To draw a polygon, repeat commands are of utmost importance as the same command has to be used a certain number of times. To draw a polygon, type repeat number of turns, primitives. Shape, number of sides, turning angle 360 upon number of sides. Triangle 3. 120 units. Square 4. 90 units. Pentagon 5. 72 units. Hexagon 6. 60 units. Septagon 7. 51 units. Octagon 8. 45 units. Drawing circles. A circle is basically the collection of all the points which are equidistant from one single point. This is why there are many commands which are to be used again and again while making a circle. To make use of these commands again and again, repeat commands are used. These repeat commands make a circle in Logo. For example, consider the following set of commands. Repeat 360, FD, number of units, RT, number of units. Similarly, curves can also be drawn using repeat commands. Magic Scroll. Logo allows you to save procedures for further use. Procedures are defined set of commands given to the turtle in Logo. Procedures are given with the TO command in Logo. We can draw different shapes in Logo using repeat depending on the commands we give. Repeat commands enable us to give a set of commands to the Logo to be repeated a specific number of times without typing them out again and again. We can even draw circles and curves in Logo. Fill in